want to show you how to scale a 6-figure online coaching business in 35 days. And this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. This is actually what we did in order to go from $0 to $30,000. So I want to show you my real Stripe account right here. This is my name, Jay Martinez, and let me refresh this page. Here you can see that my Stripe account is actually real. But now I want to talk about 3 important topics that you need to implement in your consulting business in order to get this kind of growth. So the first one is that you need to solve a massive problem for your clients. The second one is that you need to use leverage in order to grow really fast. So you need to leverage other people's time and you need to leverage content. And the last part is that you need to focus on your clients' results. And I will give you some ideas and I will give you some of the things that worked for us. The first one, solving a massive problem. The thing that you need to understand is that you always need to solve a problem that is a must-have, not a nice-to-have. Because if you solve a massive problem for your clients, you're gonna get this kind of growth, this really fast growth with your business. And when there is a massive problem, there is a lot of money that people want to pay in order to find a solution for that. So ideally, you're gonna be targeting 3 main niches: health, wealth, or relationships. And if you help people to solve a problem in one of these areas, you are gonna succeed. Because if you help them with that, you are gonna be able to charge more money, and at the same time, you're gonna be able to keep your clients for a longer period of time. Or if they are getting really great results, the idea is to upsell them a better program where you are going to help them even more. So that's just an idea, but that's something that I have seen after working with other companies that are making $1 million per month. The second part in this first point is that you have to make sure that you are good at solving these problems. But something really interesting happens right here. The best way to solve the problems is by actually getting clients. So if you don't have clients yet, you can start working with someone for free if you are not confident about the results that you can deliver for them. But later, once you are having results for those clients, you can use those case studies in order to start getting your first paid clients for your consulting coaching business. So what I am trying to say is that one of the best ways to find a solution to those problems is just by getting those clients. It's just by repetition. You are not gonna get those solutions automatically by reading a book or by watching a lot of YouTube videos. And then because of that, they're gonna respect your effort and they are gonna be very likely to continue working with you, or at least they're gonna be happy to pay you your first $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000. Now, the second point, using leverage. In my experience, you need to leverage other people's time. When I started, a lot of people told me that I didn't need to get an appointment setter until I was making $10,000 a month. But because of that, I was not doing the outreach consistently. I didn't have enough time because I was creating videos and I was doing a lot of things at the same time. And because people told me that I didn't need to have an appointment setter, this process was not getting done. This system was not working. And when I decided to hire my first appointment setter, only 3 days later, I actually got my first client. Then 3 days later, my second client, and 3 days later, my third client. So if you put the systems in place, then it is going to be impossible for you to lose. It is not about how much you're working per day. It is mainly about how efficient are you when it comes to using your time. Are you going to hire someone that will do these repetitive tasks, or are you going to do them yourself? So always be careful of that. Remember that volume negates luck. The best way to get lucky is by actually increasing the inputs in your business, increasing the number of people that you are contacting. For example, if you don't want to start using paid traffic. So you need to leverage other people's time because you cannot do this alone. You need to get someone that will help you to do the tasks that are necessary in your business, especially contacting prospects and following up with them. So that is the first point of leverage. But the second point is actually leveraging content. And the cool part about creating content is that just by creating a video that is going to take you 2 or 3 hours to record, to edit, only by doing that, you can end up having thousands or tens of thousands of people, even maybe millions of people that are gonna watch that video. So in my case, for example, my most viewed video right now has almost 4,000 views. And in this case, this only took me 2 hours to create. But because of that video, I was able to collect like an extra $5,000, $10,000 in cash. And we ended up helping them to actually get clients as well. So that's why you need to create content. You need to leverage the tools that can help you to grow really fast. This is why Mr. Beast is going to be a billionaire. So you can do the same thing with your business, even at a smaller scale. Because just by creating these videos, not only you're gonna leverage this content and social media, also you're gonna differentiate yourself from everybody else because not everybody has the courage in order to record these videos. And if you have this, you're gonna show people that you are an authority, that you are confident about what you're saying, and that you can actually get them results. The next part is delivering results for your clients. And hear me out, this is very important. If you are able to collect a case study, this is like the foundation of a really successful business, because this means that you have product market fit, and this means that you have a system that works, even if that is just for one client. And when you have one testimonial, when you have screenshots, you are gonna be very likely to continue getting more and more clients, because now you have the background. Now you can show other people that you were able to get results for these clients. So in order to bring these results for your clients, you have to do whatever you have to do. A lot of coaches hide from offering done for you services because they don't want to do the work. However, I promise that if you offer something done for you, if you help your clients even more, if you hop on more coaching calls, if you help them with a small detail that you know that is necessary in order to get results, they're gonna help you to get more results as well. So if they get results, you get results, and everybody is going to be happy. For example, in my case, if I only teach people how to send messages on Facebook and Instagram, yes, maybe the strategy works and I am gonna give them like the perfect script and the perfect strategy and the perfect system, but I know that a lot of them are not gonna send the messages. Maybe they have already a 9 to 5, maybe they already have a full-time job. If that's the case, I need to help them in a different way. So in my case, for example, I decided that placing appointment setters for them was a great decision in order to help them to get results. So this is the same thing for you. If you're helping your clients to improve their productivity, for example, maybe you can pay for a software that is automated that can help them to stay motivated. Or maybe if you are helping your clients to lose weight, maybe you can pay for another person that can help you to prepare a better nutrition plan for them. So you can do as many things that you can in order to give them results, because if you invest everything into these systems, then all of a sudden everything is going to work out in your business. So those are the things that you have to do. This is exactly what we did in order to go from $0 to $30,000 in the last 4 months with our consulting business. And I have another video here where I talk about how to train your appointment setters, or I have another video here talking about how we actually collected $16,000 just by creating the right type of videos. I will leave the link right here. And other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.